Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a speed trail behind an object. We will add a trailing motion effect behind any movement object. Cut your main subject and duplicate it to select the bottom layer and apply motion blur, and also adjust the distance based on movement directions. Now lower the opacity slightly to blend the trail. Repeat the process to create layered motions, and also add a gradient to simulate lighting change. Merge visible layers once it looks smooth. Now go to the filter, select sharpen and unsharp mask for clarity. Add subtle glow for cinematic energy. This works well for